It's like yesterday when we first met. I remember when we were talking on Instagram for hours, sending each other pictures of food, cute animals, and things that made each other laugh.
From the moment we've met, I fell in love with your eyes and the way that you smile. I've fallen in love with the way you care for another, the way that you treat others. I love the way you say good morning with your groggy voice. The way you wake up to the way you say good night.
Talked for hours every night, where we shared our love for food, family, friends, hobbies, past adventures, and dreamt of future adventures together.
I cannot come with words to express how much I love you. I can only show you.
Looking back, I always remember we were constantly laughing about something every night. Talking to you made me feel as if I've known you forever. Is he the one? Is Thomas really the one for me? Looking back, he is. He really was the one for me.
I promise to always be there for you, support you in every decision you make, to always be by your side and never ahead of you. I promise to always be there to take care of you when you are sick. I promise to be there for you physically, emotionally. I'll always be there for you to vent.
I speak, I will continue to ask for help. I will continue to be honest. I will continue to support you. And I will continue to love you always.
Oh, I love you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Like I said.
Your beautiful bride.
Life's journey is tough. There's things come along the way, but don't lose sight of why we're here. You'll love for each other. Never go to bed angry or sleep in separate rooms, bed, or because just don't be angry. You want